guys, welcome back again with me with Natural Project. This Natural8.com. Okay, right now I will be review the detail about Natural8.com. How this project work for you and how to get profit and casino project. Okay, right now I will be review home of team hot. This is all team of Natural8. This is a support for you, and you can see here make our ambassador the table of Natural8. Natural8 is supported by cost story, import the feedback from them on possible offer. That how the deliver you get offer and spread. And here you can see more information about them here. And here let's think about Natural8, see what new and existing Natural8 right now. Here more information about Natural8. You can click here, and here this is a big news about Natural8. And here there are something of everyone. Natural8 for everyone here. Expect Google table and want to be the sporting with VIP game winning on Nolin Hodem and Omaha. You can be comfortably playing and big stake and Natural8. Low tournament fee. What is low tournament fee? This is way after the law fee and what all accident tournament. Check out the daily tournament soon. Natural8, we have a tournament and order. So playing this is very good for you, and so playing here if you gambling or your casino, you like casino playing. Natural VIP Club. Here you can join Natural VIP Club with you. The VIP Club gives you access to exclusive promotion in addition or star promotion like more and giveaway and more. Only the best reward for Natural8 VIP Club member. And here this is a tournament staking. You can join tournament or staking. This is Natural8.com. You can Fish Bottom Loyalty Program, all-in insurance, star, winning under team, smart food, smart betting, and Google production and local card. Right now, you can download here last promotion about Natural8 here. What plus customer service? This is a customer service about Natural8 online every time for you. If you have problem and prestation or withdraw and deposit your money, you can click here to customer service. All friendly customer support video is always ready to assist you email or chat left that as you need to any help, fast deposit and withdraw. Nobody likes slow deposit and withdraw. Natural, we work hard to make you get the money where you need fast possible. You can chat here if you want to, if you have problem. Okay, let's here. Natural8, we have a photo of Mongolia person about playing casino or order playing. And here play any time. You can play any time anywhere in your mobile or your PC. Available on Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Natural8 open activity is full and all major platform video game wherever you go and never miss you to access ever again. You can download. This is a mobile version here, and here this is a prior online here, and here this is a in blackjack report. Get in the best online program explain right now. Maybe you can go join here And here this is news about Natural8. You can click here. Okay, this is the tale about Natural8. I hope you join this is project for a very good for you and invest your money and get your profit, guys. Okay, see you next time to good project. I will be with you again to see you next time and goodbye for you and show you good luck.